running to move the sink. And I know you like having it in the window. I'm not disagreeing. It's better to have the sink under the window. I'm not disagreeing with you on that. But it's a lot of work moving plumbing and moving everything else over to go instead of putting and just switching them. That's all.
Let's say, will we get?
Would it save us on cabinets too?
No.
No.
Okay.
You have the same number.
Now look, let's ask the woman in the room.
The lady?
The lady in the room. The woman and the lady in the room.
It's my sister, y'all.
Would you prefer to have a stove here or a sink? Would you prefer to have a sink here at this window?
So you can look out.
Dishwasher at this window and the stove next.
I think I'd rather have the stove at the window.
Right.
Why?
So you cooking?
While I'm cooking, I can see, and you can also see the main major road and everything right there.
What about when you cook washing dishes?
She don't care about washing no dishes.
I really don't like to wash this shit.
So like here's the dilemma. This is our friendly disagreement.
Yeah. I don't even consider it disagreement.
He wants to keep the sink here.
Cause it's already there.
It's already there.
And it's plumbed for it.
And it's plumbed for.
The problem, no, there's two problems. There's not enough room to put a dishwasher here, so it has to be wonky and turn the dishwasher here.
Well, no, I'm gonna keep.
But
So if I have to put the sink here, then I'm going to put the
Now
dishwasher.
you can put a dishwasher there now.
there's not enough room.
There's not no room.
Why?
Because you don't.
What you mean
You
not
don't
have
have
cabinet space?
from here, unless you do a
You
corner.
put a 30-inch cabinet right here, put your 24 right there. This is dead space.
But we're going for an 8-inch.
Still, right here. You can put a 24, that 24 stop right there.
We measure it.
We measure it. There's not enough room.
Well, I don't know how to add. Because I'm looking right there. I bet you that's over 54, 60 inches right there.
Plus 20, but you gotta come out 24 for the other cabinets.
No, you come around the side. You come around this button right up. You put
We
it
in
in
dead
dead
space.
space.
So
It's dead space. It's all dead. You gonna run your 2x4 right here to pressure your top.
Why would you put a cabinet?
Why you wanna put a cabinet here? Because it's in the dead center, because you got another cabinet coming out right here.
Right.
Right.
And have that, you just split a cabinet and have access to that. Just saying, that's my 2 cents.
Okay.
You could do whatever, you could make it dead space and panel, or you could put it.
But what I was thinking about moving the sink here so you can see the backyard. Why you washing dishes if you got kids?
But look at this. The lady you said people don't want to watch this. They throw them in the
Kevin put them
dishwasher.
lights in.
They throw everything in the dishwasher.
Good, don't it?
Yeah.
I don't know, I lived in a house for 10 years, I didn't use the dishwasher.
Because we ain't putting the stove in a range microwave
Right.
over the window. Now we can go on the side of it and put it here, and then.
So let's finalize this. What is it going to do? How is it going to be? What we going to do? What do y'all think? Let's vote on it.
How much is it gonna cost you to move everything over there and replumb it? How much you gonna charge?
Does it really matter? It's a rental property.
Well, that's the difference is what it's gonna cost. Because you're talking about cutting the block. You're talking about, if we're talking $1,000 to move it.
So what's the easiest? Wouldn't it be easy to leave it there?
And then I have Kevin put my power line here. I already got power coming anyway. It's not even a question.
Yeah, just if it's easier, yeah. If it's easier, yeah. Just
We just moved.
yeah, leave it there and then we'll make it work because it's a rental, but we're gonna make it look good.
We'll still put the dishwasher here. We can put the dishwasher here. We still have the same amount.
And you have plenty of nice cabinet space too,
Yeah.
so when you fry it and cut and stuff, all that.
Because six in one hand, half a dozen in the other. It's the same.
Speaking of cabinets, we were talking about getting some least expensive cabinets instead of going with Home Depot on
Right,
the.
we're talking about
Where can we get some cheap cabinets?
shopping for?
Not cheap, but inexpensive, Kurt. You know, where can we get some?
I don't know, man.
You don't? You was talking about.
Y'all want to take my advice.
Ah, there we go. How do you want to take your advice?
Y'all want to take their advice.
Put me together a cabinet
Because
list
been
and I'll
doing
send
this
it to
over
my guy.
30 some years.
Huh?
Put me together a cabinet list, I'll send it to you.
Hey, Dre,
Okay.
come holler, man.
Okay.
Got a point.
All right, Kurt.
All right, Dre.
All right. So, the cabinets, you gonna send them to you, and you'll probably get something cheaper than what we got.
See how cheap he is.
Okay.
His are flat packed.
There you go.
Build them,
Yeah,
but-
build it.
Oh, shit. So you got it. So send him the cabinets because we need to order those now.
Well, his are flat packed. We can get them
We
whenever.
can get whatever, because I gotta build the cabinet.
You gotta build a
That's
cabinet.
more time. But
It's a little more time than building a cabinet.
Yeah.
But how much would that save
What's
us?
wrong with your Home Depot stuff?
He's saying we might can get them
I'm
cheaper.
saying if we was going, I would say we just shop around, see if we can find a cheaper cabinet.
Give me a list of what you need.
Because what we got with the butterscotch cabinets that I already put together, we're talking about what? Basically
$2,000.
$2.25 a cabinet. You know, I mean, shoot, we're gonna spend $2,000 on cabinets, and we could have got them for 18.
But now check this out. If they already put together, then we might well put in 2,000.
You got $400 for the time and energy and building.
Yeah, 400 easy.
Yeah.
So
We might go with them.
might go with them.
Yeah.
All right.
That's the nice thing of those is you just drop them in place.
Say again.
You drop those Home Depot ones, you just dropping them in place.
You drop them in place and then put
They're
them
built
together
boxes.
and hang them on the wall.
So let's go get them.
It's okay.